Native Mineral Resources Holdings has significant acreage positions in tightly held mineral-rich regions of both North Queensland and West Australia. Native Mineral Resources' strategy is focused on acquiring discrete prospective projects in close proximity to operating mines and processing facilities and bringing them to development. To help finance this strategy and potentially to acquire more projects, Native Mineral Resources will this month complete an IPO and debut on the ASX. And joining me to discuss more is CEO Blake Cannavo. Blake, welcome to TCN TV.
Thank you very much for having me.
Now, Native Mineral Resources is targeting prospective projects in close proximity to operating mines and processing facilities. What are the pros and cons of this sort of exploration strategy?
Look, I believe the pros for us are we've got a very large tenement in North Queensland that stretches from Cooktown all the way to Cairns, 1,820 square kilometres. We've got 65 identified targets, and we've got 10 highly prospective targets that have shown mineralisation. So we know we have mineralisation on our tenements, and we're looking to start drilling those post-IPO in November.
Now, Native Mineral Resources' main Queensland-based gold and copper project, which you mentioned, sits on the highly prospective Palmerville fault system and has 9 tenements. Premised on sampling undertaken to date, what is the discovery potential of this project?
We believe our initial number one priority being Leanne's is where we're drilling. We think that's highly prospective. We've got 0.55% in historical drilling at the weathered zone, and we'll be punching through that weathered zone, and we expect to hit much higher grade once we punch through that particular zone. We'll be drilling from 80 to 100 metres to 120 metres in the first lot of 10 holes, and then we'll pick 5 of our best holes and we'll drill down to about 200 metres.
Okay, and Native Mineral Resources also has some gold projects located in WA's Eastern Goldfields district. What are their prospects like?
The WA region is a fantastic region. It's classified as a world-ranked region. There's highly spread mineralisation throughout these regions. We're looking in the granites specifically, which is unexplored, and we believe that will have us really good results.
Okay, Native Mineral Resources Eastern Goldfields gold portfolio is a mix of granted tenements and tenement applications. Which of these is your highest priority at this stage and why?
So Mount Vetters is our highest priority. Mount Vetters has had some very good historical results, and that's where we will start straight away, and then we'll move on from Mount Vetters to look straight into Acuna. So we've got some very, very good prospective tenements there: Mount Wells, Mount Vetters, and Acuna.
Okay, now you also have a relatively small 1 permit project at Mount Morgan in the Rockhampton region of Queensland. What attracted the company to this prospect?
Mount Morgan came with a package of tenements that we applied for and was granted. So that's probably the last of our priorities. Look, a very, very good region, and it's had good results, but it's only a small tenement. We are focusing on our large tenements in Palmerville and also in the Western Goldfields. That's where we see us getting the best results. And look, for us, it's not an exploration play. We're looking to be an operator. So we'll go through the phases of doing our exploration, prove up our results, and then move into an operations. That's what our long-term goal is.
Certainly. Now, how much are you looking to raise from the IPO, and what drilling work does management expect to complete by the time mid next year comes around?
Our minimum subscription is 4 million, maximum is 6 million. We've had an amazing result from all of our investors, so we are just about at the 6 million. We expect to be oversubscribed by the time we close. Our first round of drilling is literally starting post-IPO. So as soon as we list, we'll be drilling, which I think is an amazing result for the investors. And on the back of that, the results from these first 15 drill holes, we are expecting to have back from the laboratory around about the end of December, mid-January.
Great to hear, Blake. And final question, why are you excited for the future of native mineral resources, and why are you telling shareholders to hold tight?
Native mineral resources, I think, offers a lot of opportunity to shareholders. The fact that we have gone through the IPO, we've got drill-ready targets. It's not a green exploration play. Usually investors investing in exploration, it can take anywhere from 3 to 9 months before they start drilling. We're drilling literally the day after or the day of IPO, either one. So it's going to give the investors some real opportunity to see uplift within the shares. We're very confident on our drilling results. We're very confident we'll hit higher grade of mineralization of copper in those particular areas. So that's what I think offers the shareholders most opportunity.
Well, Blake, all the best for your IPO, and thank you for outlining the opportunity today.
Thank you so much for having me.
And thank you for watching. Now, if you like what you see, please be sure to like and share the video, subscribe to TCN TV, and drop us a comment. Tell us who you would like to see and what you would like us to ask them, or if you're an investor, send us an email so we can keep you in the loop with the latest ideas to empower.